Storm Watch 12 weather.
It's definitely going to be one of those interesting weather patterns where changes happen just about all around the country. We had that severe weather that went into Washington, D.C., as well as Boston in the overnight hours. Some strong thunderstorms now coming into the plain states, and we have snow falling from Colorado all the way north into Montana. Off the west coast, big ridge of high pressure here, and it's tapping tropical moisture from Honolulu and pushing it northward. But right now, the high pressure ridge is going to win the battle. In other words, we are going to see these storm systems primarily stay to the north, bringing a few showers to Seattle and warmer weather to us because the winds will move offshore, especially to the south coast. It is going to be quite a bit warmer. In fact, even at this hour, 6 degrees warmer in Brookings than it was yesterday at this time. Medford is 4 warmer than yesterday. Klamath Falls 9 warmer, and Lakeview 11 warmer. So how warm is it? It's in the low 60s in the basin, 71 in Medford, 60 in Brookings, and 50 in Crescent City. Northwest wind, though, picking up at 16 miles per hour in Klamath Falls, that typical northerly wind that gusts a bit in the late afternoon, evening hours. That'll diminish after sunset. In the Rogue Valley, 71, beautiful outside right now. Northwest wind is 7 miles per hour. Now, temperatures today, 63 for the high in Klamath Falls. That's 5 above normal. For Grants Pass, 6 above normal, 71. And the Rogue Valley, 5 above normal. The average is 66, and we had the high of 71. The record high is 90 for this time of the year. Look at the cool weather across much of the northern part of the country, the upper plains and the Great Lakes area, even cooler in the areas where it was in the 80s yesterday. But look where the heat is building. It's building in the Central Valley. In fact, in the Central Valley, it's in the 70s and 80s. This is what we call a thermal heat low, or it's caused by low pressure. That will build up and push into southern Oregon over the next couple of days. So for that reason, because the heat's already building to the south of us, all it's going to take is a little bit of a nudge north, and the high pressure ridge off the coastline, which is right here. See, here's this ridge of high pressure. Here's the west coast. As this builds up, that heat to the south will then nudge northward. Even though we do have a little storm system that will creep by Seattle, and here's this storm. It's actually going to be a snowstorm, a big one in Montana and parts of Wyoming. We are looking at quite a bit of snow there, all the way down to Denver, Colorado. This little cool front will try to come by. It'll move in Sunday and Monday. It'll actually brush by the area, but because this high pressure is so strong, it's going to gather strength, move over the top of us, and give us the warmest weather of the year by midweek. So be prepared for a great day on Sunday. Low 40s to start out with, and low 70s. Beautiful day on Sunday. Coastline, we had a little bit of a Brookings effect, a Chetco effect, starting for us on Sunday, and then even warmer on Monday. And for the Cascades, 50s, 60s in the foothills, beautiful day, lots of sunshine. Klamath Basin, same thing. Again, in the afternoon, we'll pick up those northwest winds, 5 to 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. And same thing in Northern California. Those winds will blow around Weed and into Mount Shasta, but it'll be in the low 70s, close to 80 degrees, though, at Happy Camp. In the Rogue Valley, just delightful. 69 in Ashland and low 70s along the coastline. So look at this Brookings effect. Look at this Chetco effect, 80 on Monday, and then 76 on Tuesday. Then the marine layer moves back in. We drop back into the 50s. We'll see a lot of 60s and even low 70s in the basin. Beautiful weather the next several days. Partly cloudy skies by the end of the week. Rogue Valley, 73, then 75. And Stephen, how about 80 on Tuesday, 81. Warmest day of the year on Wednesday, 80 on Thursday. And then a little bit cooler, but all week really very, very nice and spring-like.
Yeah, and you get that 80-degree temperatures on the coast on Monday. Probably going to be a lot of 3-day weekends. People feeling a little under the weather heading after this weekend.
Sounds like a good day to head to the coast.
I guess so. Thanks, Dan.